Hello everybody, Dr. David StarTouch here, and I am working with getting my Virpil Alpha Constellation Alpha right stick fixed. Right, for those who have not seen the video, this is position 1, position 2, and position 3 is kind of getting stuck here, right, like that. Okay, so, and then 4, 5. So it should be doing a like this, but with the head on, it's going like that. So something is going on. The tech's helping me with it. He had me take it, open it up. So this video is partially for him, mostly for him. But I wanted to share the process with you too, because Virpils you can maintain, you can you can service them yourself, which is nice. So I've got these little rubber parts there. Now, he sent me some images. So we first unscrewed these. So that's how we got this off. You just got to be very careful of the wires, because, you know, wires. And then so once I got these little doodahs off, yeah, oops. Anyway, then I went to the second image, which is right here. And this one has bolts. Mine has little rubber secure things. Anyway, I'm sending this to him, and hopefully, I don't know what just fell, but something beeped. Hopefully, we will get this resolved, and I will keep you on the updated, and hopefully my video stuff is now working. It's dropping tons of frames. Lots of weirdness. All right. Dr. David StarTouch, Survivor Hero. Like, subscribe, and post a comment. Bye. It won't turn off.